I'm going to show the steps to install a slow close round toilet seat. This toilet seat comes with nylon bolts, anti-wobble washers, and quick connect nuts. Place the hinges over the holes on the bowl and lift the covers on the hinges. The washer and the nut go under the bowl with the narrow side of the washer facing up. The quick connect nut will grab the threads on the bolt as you push it on, so it's easier to install. Push the bolts through the hinge on top. Put on the washer, then push on the nut while holding the bolt from the top. Tighten down the nut by hand. Hold the nut in place with pliers and tighten down the bolt with a large slotted screwdriver. Don't over-tighten the bolt. Close the hinge covers.